Hey guys, Blake with Barnes Brothers Motorcycles in Cannonsburg, Pennsylvania. I'm here to show you this really cool 2025 Kawasaki Ridge Crew XR Limited. This is the top of the line Ridge that comes with all of the bells and whistles. This is the new inline 4-cylinder, and we installed a Power Angle Plow, and I'm here to show you how it works. So to remove this plow, it's really quick and easy. First thing you do is give yourself some slack on your winch cable. Unhook the winch from the strap. Hang the winch over the top of the bumper here. Later, once the plow is unhooked, you would suck this back in. This is the Power Angle power. Detach there. There's a plug here on the machine, a dummy plug. Plug that in. So that's out of the way and protected. And then on the plow itself, you lift this red handle here, lift to release, and it slides right off. So that's it. Now you're fully detached and you can go drive around and not have the plow attached. Now it's snowed, you need the plow hooked back up again. No problem. Lift, hook in, hooked up, winch, strap, simple. Power angle, take your plug out of the dummy plug, plug that back in,